I typically don't have to say this, but it's been 12 days since I posted a video on this channel. It's been a while. I apologize for the hiatus. I was low-key on vacation, got stranded on vacation. That's a whole story that I could talk about in another video if you guys would like it. But today we're gonna talk about some Travis Jordan 1s that are actually confirmed for this summer. We're gonna talk about Supreme TNF that's releasing this week. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel because we back, and I promise y'all I'm gonna start going hard again. With all that being said though, let's get straight to it. So the first sneaker I'm gonna talk about is the Travis Scott Jordan 1, which is supposedly gonna release on July 21st. These are the third iteration of the lows that he's done, and it's almost like the first pair but with white instead of black. Honestly, these shits are kind of hard, and I will be trying to go for these for retail. I feel like resale is gonna be up there a little bit, so that might be steep, but we definitely gonna try for retail. All three colors he's done so far are actually fire. My favorite are the fragment pair. Second, I would go with the black, and third, I would go with this one. But all of them are clean, and I feel like you could pull off some fire fits with these. Honestly, a lot of people have been showing off their early pairs, so I feel like there's a possibility that these are gonna release soon. He even just released the Brick Max 1s, and those ain't doing too well, but it just confirms that he's still rocking with Jordan and Nike. So hey, these Jordan 1s are probably gonna come out soon. There's also this high top version, which I don't know if these are gonna release, but these shits go hard, and honestly I would pick these over the lows any day. I feel like both of them go hard. Out of both, I would probably wear the high tops more. Then again, I've never had a pair of Jordan 1 lows, and a lot of people do rave by those, so I'm pretty sure the lows are gonna do just fine. We don't know if the highs are gonna release though. It's just a little image that I found and I decided to show y'all real quick. We do have these Jordan 4 infrareds coming out on the 15th of June. I thought I should talk about them because these are actually kind of hard. I was actually able to pick up these for retail, and I feel like these infrareds are just as clean, especially for the summertime. This Red Thunder is gonna go up in value hands down, and this is another one that I feel like is a solid contender for long-term value. Even if not just that, they look clean, so definitely are a wearable sneaker for this summer. So we're gonna talk about some of my favorite pieces from the TNF drop this week. I feel like there's actually some clean pieces, and then there's some dookie pieces. First, we got the trekking convertible jacket. This one basically goes from a long sleeve jacket to a shirt type jacket to a vest. This is a triple piece in one type shit, and honestly the two colorways that aren't floral aren't that bad. I like the white with the red. Is it white or gray? That creamy white with the red. The black one is clean as well. These do have a bunch of cargo pockets, has the Supreme on the hood. I think this is a fire ass TNF. I love all the pockets on it. In black, this shit is hella wearable, and then in that grayish creamish, which is a beautiful colorway on this jacket as well. Honestly, this is a banger. I feel like it's one of the more clean TNFs that we've gotten recently. Clean piece. We do got this Bandanna Tee, which honestly is kind of dookie. At least that big ass square is on the back and not the front. With Supreme TNF, I do like the fact that on a lot of their pieces, when it comes to the tees at least, they do the little Supreme TNF logo on the front, real subtle. Then they put whatever branding they got on the back. They did that on this piece right here, and subtle on the front, and doesn't have that big ass square on it, if that makes sense. If I were to go for this, it would strictly be in that black color. I don't know if I'd really rock with any of the other ones. We got the Convertible Backpack coming out. This one comes in 3 different colors, and this book bag turns into a waist bag, bruh. Yes, you heard it here. The bottom of this bitch dislocates itself from the top, and you can literally wear it as a separate bag. Let me know if y'all rocking with that. Honestly, this shit is hard. Either in that grayish cream color or that black. This shit is fire, bro. Like literally, bro, look at this shit. It goes from a waist bag to a book bag. That's all I'm gonna say, and it looks seamless. Like it's not some bullshit where it's like big as fuck. It looks like a sleek two-piece type shit. We do got the Characters S logo New Era. This is probably my favorite item releasing this week. I know there's TNF and shit releasing, but I'm a big ass fan of fitteds, bro. It's just what I'm into, and I feel like this one right here is beautiful. I love most of these colorways besides that lime one. The tan fitted is gorgeous. Low-key, that might be the first and only item that I go for this week. I don't have any tan fitteds in my collection, and I feel like this one right here might be the one for me, bro. It's either the blue one, the tan one, or the red one. Just hit me with the tan, keep it stroking with the rest low key. But yeah, this fitted go crazy. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for this in the comments below. Probably one of the best pieces releasing. We got the pool floaties releasing this week. These come in 2 colors, and the fat tip vibe is on this one, which is basically that graffiti vibe. I think this is clean, bro. For the summertime, it's literally on point, which I don't understand why TNF is releasing damn near in the summer, but that's another topic. We do got the floaties though. If you got a little pool vibe, you going somewhere on vacation this summer, hey, you're gonna need yourself a floaty. It is what it is. Just get the fat tip one while you can, and you be straight. So to secure hyped releases like the Jordan 1 Travis Scott's, Jordan 4s, and Supreme TNF, I'd recommend you guys to sign up for Addict 3.0. Copies are super limited, and they don't even restock that often these days. They've had a bunch of success as far as these drops go. Make sure you don't miss out when Addict drops again. I'm gonna run through some of the features with you guys. They have bot support, meaning that you could bot all Shopify sites like Kith, Amamanier, Bape, Undefeated, Supreme, Yeezy, you name it. There's monitors which basically let you see when the hyped releases are back in stock, and they auto check out for you for higher chances at getting items like PS5s and Jordans for retail. There's raffles, so if you know with sneakers, that's like one of the major keys to having higher chances at cooking up. There's now a raffles tab to help you with that. They got custom push notifications, restock monitors. They even have NFT support, unlimited tasks, guides. They even have a Discord group free of charge with your purchase. Addict 3.0 is full of features, so make sure you guys go ahead and sign up on the newsletter. It's gonna be on the screen right here. That way you are notified when they do restock. The bot is $130, which you can split into 4 sezzle payments, and it's a one-time fee with free updates for life. They even update every week or so to make sure that the bot is up and running. So make sure you sign up for Addict.io. It's gonna be on the screen and in the description. But with all that being said, let's get back to the video. We do got this trekking short sleeve shirt, which is gonna be releasing in 4 colors. Honestly, this one in the black ain't too bad, and the gray isn't too bad, and I don't know if I'd cop, but it does give like that work shirt vibe. So if that's something that you do wear in your wardrobe, this is clean. Like that black one with like some beige trousers, bro, come on, you dead ass the person greeting people at the car dealership wearing that shit. Like, it's clean, but just figure out how to wear it first, you know what I'm saying? Don't know how I feel about the Christmas spirit. We gonna be eye on that one, but we do got this rhinestone stripe baseball jersey, which comes in 3 different colorways, the black being my favorite, maybe the red, but it basically just has the 22 on the back, rhinestones down the pinstripes, and then it says Supreme on the front. Nothing too special, but it is baseball related. If you're looking to pick up a little jersey, you feel me, for the summer, hey, they got you with the rhinestones right here. I don't know how much these items are gonna retail for just yet, but it's okay. So I know we were talking about Supreme and shit, but I do want to cover a couple more sneakers because hey, fuck it, right? We do got these dark Belugas, which this is a first look right here. It's basically the same shit as the OG Belugas, but a darker tint to it, and I must say, I feel like this is way cleaner. It looks more smooth on these. I don't know why I'm liking these more than the OGs low-key. Slight bars. I actually think these are fire. Let me know if y'all fucking with these in the comments. I don't know when these are gonna release. This is just a first look, but I recently sold my Belugas because I did go on vacation. I don't even think I'm gonna go for these. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I'm kind of over the 350s. I still wear my breads, and the ones that I have are probably the ones that I'd want to wear. I don't really need any more colors. The only way I'd get a new 350 is if it's one of the stripe ones. That's the ones that I don't have so far. This right here probably would do without. I still think it's clean. Let me know if y'all fucking with the dark Belugas. Next topic was the Jordan 1 OG Chicago reimagined. These shits are beautiful, bro. They're gonna basically take the OG and bring it back with that same kind of vibe. Right here you can see this weirdly shaped Jordan 1 Chicago, but this is an unstitched version. It's a sample. It's not even all the way completed yet. The leather is cracked on this. It really does have that 85 feel to it. I'm fucking with these, bro. I don't know when they gonna drop or what's going on, but these shits look fire, bro. Let me know if y'all gonna end up going for these when they release. Pretty sure everybody is. Look at the cracked leather on these. It's almost like the Amamanier Jordan 1s. Whenever whenever these shits drop, they gonna be gas, bro, for sure. But let's talk about a couple more Supreme pieces, then we'll get straight up out the building. One of them being this hooded sweatshirt, kind of mid. That tan colorway isn't bad, but the other ones are just kind of ass. We do got these trekking sandals, which who the fuck is going trekking in some chancletas, bro? Like, I don't know who's doing it. I'm definitely not doing it. We got this trekking crusher hat, comes in 4 different colorways. Honestly, the 2 that I actually like are the grayish and the black one. Those 2 are clean. Besides that, doo-doo. We got these shorts right here, which actually are packable, bro. Have you seen some packable shorts before? Low-key, these completely fit into the back pocket. I like these, but honestly, that shit on the back deadass look like a whole tumor. One pocket is normal, the other one is almost like a life jacket. Let me know if y'all fucking with this. Honestly, not too bad. The black one or that gray, once again, are my favorite. We do got these rhinestone shorts, nothing too special. Boom, boom. I feel like I'm gonna talk about these items a little bit more in detail Wednesday. We still don't have no retails, nothing like that, so I probably will circle back on these pieces. You got this hat right here. Honestly, I don't know what's going on. This looked like the hat that Kanye be wearing recently. Black one with the long ass beak. I'm good on that shit. We got this denim ripstop hat, which low-key has this cargo pocket on the side. I like that vibe, but I don't know who's actually wearing this grid pattern on this hat. Like, it's just not happening, bro. That's probably the main reason I wouldn't buy this shit. If it didn't have all the squares, this would actually be solid, because a cargo pocket on the hat is pretty clean. That shit's a dub. We got this double S crew neck, which tell me not, this should look like some Stussy vibes, like 90s Stussy vibes, especially in this oatmeal color. Fire, bro. This shit go hard. Like, love the ribbing on this. I love this oatmeal tan color. Double S logo, definitely clean. I don't even really fuck with crew necks, but that one's fire. Then we got the dookie pieces of the week. Deadass, these had a reservation at the bottom of the list for a reason. These shits are dookie, bro. This is like Boohoo Man clearance section. This is one of the pieces that you get for free if you pay for the shipping type shit. You know what I'm talking about. This shit comes in 3 colors. I don't know which one is more ass. I'ma skip on all of these. If you're gonna cop, then hey, more power to you, but I'm about to leave these shits right where they started. We do got the sweatpants, which are low-key even worse. Like, who decided to just put bandanas on the side of this shit? That ass just 2 bandanas. It's not even the full print. It's not even nothing special. It's that ass 2 bandanas. Like, what's going on? Nah, we good on these shits and these shits. Like, this is so terrible. Just let me know in the comments what y'all gonna be going for. Honestly, this bag go crazy. This shit is hard. We gonna talk about these pieces a little bit more in detail as the week goes on, you feel me? As we get these retail prices, I will give you my full detailed review on it. There's a lot more to talk about, so make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, because there's more heat on the way. Let me know what y'all would like to see on an upcoming video, and with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.